Thank you for being my constant on this new journey of me sharing my thoughts and you all appreciating it. Yeah, so it's Teacher's Day today. I feel I've been a teacher all my life. No, not the mother wala teacher and the sister wala teacher and the falana dhamkana wala teacher. No, I am talking about the original teacher, the profession teacher for which today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. I think as a teacher, I've gone through a lot of phases of learning, unlearning, relearning, and also from the original blackboard and white chalk, colored chalks to chalk holders, and then to the smart boards as they call them these days. Yes, and actually, if you look at it, there have been phases of preparation in the question papers also, from the cyclostyle kinds to the photocopiers to the present day computers, wherein proofreading is okay. I mean, cyclostyle days ki proofreading or aaj ki proofreading mein there's a lot of difference because computer does it all for you. The page layout, the grammatical errors, and everything is taken care of. So with all these changes that have taken place in this profession of teaching, I'm sure we too can applaud and praise the teachers. Yes, this one day, which I feel should be celebrated only for the ones who are in the profession of teaching. प्लीज रहने देते हैं ना टीचर्स डे को टीचर्स के लिए. क्यों हर जगह हम हर रिलेशनशिप को डाल रहे हैं? रिलैक्स. टुडे इज द डे ऑफ टीचर्स, सो लेट देम बी ऑनर्ड, let them feel special, and that responsibility lies upon each one of us to ensure that the teachers of our society also get their due. So let me introduce you all today to my friends who are making a difference in the lives of their students, and I want you all to hear what they have to say. So I happen to have asked them what is the significance of Teachers' Day for them, and are they influenced by the teachers of their times when they were students? Has there been any major learning that is happening in today's date and time, and how are things for them as teachers? And also I've asked them what motivates them. So come on, let's listen to them and appreciate and applaud their efforts.
You all will agree that life is beautiful with its twists and turns. And here I have my friend who had plans of becoming a doctor but landed up as a professor. Let's hear it from her.
Hi friends, I am Nandini Sengupta. I am a professor in the Department of Economics, KC College, HSNC University, Mumbai. I have been teaching economics for the last 25 years. Teachers' Day for me is the day to honor and acknowledge the contribution of all teachers to the society and to the education system. Teaching is a noble profession, and it is a calling that provides enormous fulfillment and opportunity to make a difference in the lives of the students. We may be teaching the same concept every year, but it is the dynamics, the questions, the discussions that keep changing every year, and it is unique. Hence, the challenge is constantly changing, which keeps it exciting. Witnessing the young, inquisitive minds grow is not only an incredibly rewarding experience, but it is this experience which motivates us to be better each day. My teaching style has often been inspired by my teachers at different stages of my life. I have emulated the most interesting lectures of my favorite teachers and remodeled them and devised my own style as I have grown as a facilitator myself. Today, the students have access to a lot of information, but they need a facilitator who would guide them to process that information and apply it. So, as a facilitator, we have to continuously refine our lesson plans and also the teaching strategies. I'm happy that I am a teacher and I am trying to make a contribution in a very small way in nation building. Thank you.
And now let's listen from another professor and figure out what are her views on Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, Namaskar. I am Dr. Parul Mishra, Assistant Professor in Department of English, Shridev Suman, Uttarakhand University, Rishikesh campus. I have more than 12 years of teaching experience. Banaras Hindu University is my alma mater, from where I have done my graduation, my post-graduation and my PhD. It is also the place where my interest for this profession developed. I have been an avid reader, but by seeing my motivated, dedicated and committed teachers, it all inspired me. And today when I see myself as a teacher, I feel blessed. And it is also like dream come true, because I feel that I am a useful instrument of society. Educator or teachers are like backbone of any society. So one should always give them recognition. We cannot deny the effort they are making in shaping the nation.
A little camera shy, but a powerhouse of knowledge. Well, that's my Didi, my sister, who actually has taught me. ये जो बातें करने की, एक्सप्रेशंस की और कॉन्फिडेंस जो आप मुझ में देखते हैं ना, उसका पूरा क्रेडिट मैं अपनी दीदी को देती हूँ. और हाँ, ऐसा ही उनके स्टूडेंट्स भी फील करते हैं. तो आइए सुनते हैं राखी दीदी को.
There, myself Rakhi from Kolkata. At present, I'm self-employed, a teacher. How can one not have a motivator? For me, my principal, Sister Selisa, Sister Mariange, Miss Evett, Miss Calendar, Miss Stella, Miss Tripti Banerjee, Miss Harvinder, Miss Phillips, Miss Majida, Miss Shaw, and many more. All have been my mentors in my growing years. Surely today, the way I conduct myself is all their nurturing. Believe me, I love being amid students, enjoying all emotions. As a classical dance exponent would define, Navarasa. Exactly, that's what we enjoy during our sessions, our classes. So, wishing my fraternity to enjoy, grow, blossom with all these Navarasa. God bless.
Well, she's a visiting faculty in best of the colleges. She's been a travel blogger, actually a globe trotter. I think must have visited by now some 35-40 countries. She's mother to a soon to be a tennis star. And she also has her own blog page by the name Travel Tales from India and abroad.
Hi, I am Mridula Dwivedi. I used to teach at GD Goenka World Institute, which was a collaboration with Lancaster University. This was based in Gurgaon. I was a professor when I quit my job in 2015. You would ask me, every day is Teachers' Day for me, but yes, I agree it's a special day. I mean, why not? Make your teachers, I mean, my students always made me feel very special around that time, on that day. And some of them still, like, in spite of me having quit in 2015, some of them still remain in touch. What motivated me to be a teacher is that I'm in constant touch with young minds, and those who do not work in these kinds of jobs. I mean, they very quickly, I feel, become out of touch with the how things are moving, how youngsters think, because we remain only in touch with our own children and maybe some of their friends. I was an assistant professor. I assisted on a course to my dean, Professor Uma Shankar Venkatesh. I cannot tell you how much I learned from him, how humble he was, how mature he was in handling students' queries. The queries that would seem very foolish to me, with what maturity he handled. I definitely learned a lot from him. I have taught students who have not have industry experience as a part of their course, and I have taught students who have had industry experience as part of their course. Some of the hotel management students that I teach, they go on an internship for a semester as a part of their study program, and then they come back and study with me. I mean, it's much easier to teach to a student, or it is like a more aware student who has got out in the industry and seen how it functions. So for me, that has been a very like enlightening aspect and a very delightful aspect of teaching those students who already have some work experience. I mean, my personal circumstances don't allow me to be a full-time teacher any longer, but the part-time association that I still have, I definitely cherish it a lot.
And now we have the young teacher who's making a difference in the lives of her students. Besides being an honest pet lover, she's an author, education blogger, speaker, and a change maker, is how she defines herself. And she has been for nationals in martial arts. So let's hear it from the present generation teacher.
Hi, I'm Sanam Edwards, and I have been a teacher for almost 9 years now. Looking back on my teaching journey, I can certainly say that I've experienced a lot of growth alongside the students that I teach. When I think on my teaching styles, I do think that I try to emulate my most inspirational teachers. I had a favorite, my English teacher. He used to make us feel so comfortable. He used to encourage us to be creative, and we were always heard in his classroom. And somewhere I feel that I would like to foster the same kind of environment in my classroom. So that's what I actively strive for. When it comes to Teachers' Day, I take the time to acknowledge that what I do is not easy. There are hard days and there are amazing days. We take the good with the bad, and we have to celebrate ourselves for just a day at least, to give ourselves that grace that we do an amazing job and we are shaping the next generation. So for me, Teachers' Day is about a bit of self-love, a bit of giving back to the self, and celebrating such a rewarding job.
So it's celebration across the nation on Teachers' Day. And there is this wonderful experience that I've had recently, and I would love to share it with all of you. As you all know, I am an RJ with Radio Gham Chhaya at Dehradun. So I happened to do one program of theirs called Yatra, where I met Brigadier Khati, who pursued his PhD post-retirement after 35 years of service. And because it's a program, Yatra means I am unfolding his journey, and ended up asking him about his childhood and his school days. So this 73 years young officer, I would want you all to hear what he had to say.
मैंने पहले विद्या मंदिर में एडमिशन लिया, उसके बाद मैंने शिफ्ट किया सेंट जॉर्ज अकेडमी में. वहाँ पे करीब 1.5 साल रहने के बाद एक बात कहूँगा, मेरी क्लास टीचर वहाँ थी मिस सिंह, और मैं आया था बिल्कुल देहात से
जी.
और यहाँ पे वो क्लास 6 में मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत पुअर थी, तो उन्होंने पता नहीं मेरे में क्या देखा, उन्होंने एक तरह से मुझे अडॉप्ट किया. एंड शी वुड टेक मी होम टू राजपुर एंड टीच मी अबाउट. एक किताब थी रीडर्स
Radiant reader.
रेडियंट रीडर, सॉरी.
Yes.
वो हमें पढ़ाती थी कि ये पढ़िए आप. तो मेरा पिकअप बहुत अच्छा था. उनके साथ बड़ा अच्छा 1 साल कटा. उसके बाद वी मूव टू लखनऊ.
Right.
और वो मेरी ज़िंदगी का सबसे बड़ा माहौल बचपन का बीता, विच गेव मी अ प्लेस टू ग्रो एंड फ्लावर आउट इनटू व्हाट आई एम टुडे. लखनऊ की यादें जो हैं बचपन की, वो शायद बहुत सुंदर है.
जी.
और मैं नहीं सोचता कि किसी बच्चे को वो अब नसीब होंगी जो उस दिन हमने लखनऊ में बिताए.
So, teachers, feel super proud of yourselves and be happy for the profession that you all have chosen. You are touching lives and you are making a change one student at a time, is my saying, and I believe in that. And I want each one of you to give a pat on your back and feel good about it. And I feel that there are still many more stories to tell and be influenced, motivated by. So, today, as a special gesture, there's going to be another episode by evening dedicating especially to our dear teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Jai Hind.